Philip was called by Jesus to follow him, and he spent his life leading others to the Savior. This is the story of Philip, one of the 12 apostles. Philip, from Bethsaida like Peter and Andrew, was a bold preacher of the gospel. He performed miracles, baptized new believers, and led many to Christ, including the Ethiopian eunuch. Tradition says Philip preached in Greece, Phrygia, and Syria, facing strong opposition wherever he went. Around 80 AD, he was arrested by those who opposed his teachings. Philip was crucified, with some sources saying it was upside down, while continuing to preach until his last moments. His life and death remind us that spreading the gospel often comes with great sacrifice, yet faith conquers fear. Philip died proclaiming the truth he believed in, showing that courage and faith go hand in hand. Share this if you'll boldly stand for Jesus, and follow the Beatz breaker for more stories of the apostles who died for the gospel.